Hi, today I will show you how to use range command. Before starting, like the video and subscribe. What is range in Python? Range is a built-in Python function that creates a sequence of numbers. It is most commonly used in loops, especially for loops. How range works? You can use range in 3 different ways. 1. Range stop number creates numbers from 0 up to stop number, but not including it. 2. Range open parenthesis start number, comma, stop number, close parenthesis creates numbers from start up to stop number, but not including it. 3. Range open parenthesis start, stop, step, close parenthesis creates numbers from start to stop, increasing by step each time. Why is range useful? It lets you repeat code a certain number of times. It doesn't create a full list in memory. It generates numbers one by one. It is very fast and efficient. Here is an example with for range.